Hey everybody, this is Cody with Ryonet. We've heard from many of you that keeping track of inventory in your day-to-day hustle of running a screen printing shop can be quite a grind. Sometimes things get chaotic and you find yourself reaching for things on the shelf that you need but you just don't have. This can delay your overall shop production while you search for that missing product, even sometimes take on additional costs from expedited shipping. So in an effort to save you time and money, it's my pleasure to introduce you to Ryonet's Visual Inventory Management System. The intent of this video is to serve as an explanation of the basic principles and to show the benefits of implementing this simple visual system into your daily routine. First step in this process is to establish what is known as a trigger time. This is defined as the most efficient time to reorder essential products, such as your inks and chemical supplies. So if you do your ordering every week, your trigger time is 7 days, and this will be the time frame in which you set up and use this visual cue system. Something to be aware of is this process is a double minimum system, which means you should have double the inventory needed for your least amount of product for your chosen trigger time. So for example, if your shop needs at least 2 gallons of perfect white during your trigger time of 1 week, you must have no less than 4 gallons of perfect white in your shop during that 1 week, double your minimum. The last element of this visual inventory management system is a 2-tier setup whose purpose is to keep everyone in the shop aware of what is in stock and what needs to be reordered. This system is extremely helpful and efficient because it uses simple visual cues in real time to alert you and your team to your inventory needs, guaranteeing you never run out of supplies mid-print. We understand that every shop is a bit unique in its layout, in its look, and its feel. So what we're presenting is just a first take, and I hope and encourage you to adapt it to your own shop. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we're going to dive deeper into utilizing this system in your ink department. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for more great screen printing videos.